Welcome to the world of 3D printing. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, today we're exploring 5 amazing 3D printers that can bring your ideas to life with speed, precision, and color. Let's jump right in. The first printer we're looking at is a creative powerhouse, the Zonestar new Upgrade 4 Extruder 4in10UT Mix Color 3D printer. With its unique 4-in-1 out-mixing hot end, this machine lets you print in multiple colors and even create gradients by blending filaments in real time. It's designed for users who want flexibility and color control in their prints. You get a large build area, ideal for printing big models or complex multi-part objects. The printer is built with silent stepper drivers to ensure a quiet operation and features a solid DIY kit setup, so you can customize and learn as you build. If you're someone who enjoys fine-tuning hardware or exploring advanced print effects, this printer offers both the freedom and the precision to experiment. Next, we move on to the Anycubic Kobra S1 combo, a machine that's all about speed, stability, and precision. Built with a CoreXY structure, this printer achieves extremely high movement speeds up to 600 mm per second, all while maintaining stability and fine detail. It comes with auto bed leveling, a direct drive extruder for flexible filament support, and ultra-quiet performance, making it suitable even for use in a quiet home or office. One of the highlights is its support for multicolor printing, which lets you add vivid expression to your models. Setup is quick and user-friendly, and the frame is engineered for reliability during high-speed tasks. If performance and professional-grade printing are what you need, the Kobra S1 combo is a very smart choice. Let's take a look at the Tronxy X5 SE, a solid CoreXY 3D printer that's ideal for anyone looking to print larger models without breaking the bank. It features a generous build volume of 330 by 330 by 400 mm, giving you ample room for big prints like cosplay props, engineering parts, or scale models. The metal frame adds rigidity, while features like auto-leveling and a filament runout sensor enhance ease of use and reliability. You'll also get a heated print bed for better adhesion and fewer warping issues, especially with materials like ABS or PETG. The Tronxy X5 SE comes as a DIY kit, so it's a great fit for users who enjoy the building process and want to understand the inner workings of their machine. It's powerful, customizable, and versatile. Now we come to one of the most popular choices in the 3D printing world, the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE. It's designed for reliability and ease of use, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned maker. The printer features automatic bed leveling, a dual Z-axis for extra stability, and Creality's own Sprite direct drive extruder, which is known for precise filament control. It supports print speeds up to 250 mm per second and comes with a flexible spring steel print bed that makes removing your prints a breeze. The frame is compact yet sturdy, ideal for desktops or home workshops, and the user interface is beginner-friendly. This model strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and capability, making it a great everyday printer for personal projects or learning. And finally, for those just getting started, or looking for a safe, fun way to introduce kids to 3D printing, the Easythreed K7 Mini is a fantastic choice. This tiny but capable printer offers one-click printing and a magnetic build plate, so it's extremely easy to operate. It doesn't require manual leveling or advanced slicing skills, making it an ideal entry point into the hobby. Despite its simplicity, it delivers surprisingly clean prints for small toys, decorative items, and basic models. Because it's compact and quiet, it fits nicely on a school desk, in a classroom, or even on a nightstand. It's the perfect introduction for young creators or anyone who wants a low-maintenance 3D printing experience without the technical overwhelm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 3D printing tips and gear. Which printer was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.